How to keep him once you get him back. Winning him back is only the beginning. The real challenge lies in making sure the relationship lasts. Many couples repeat old mistakes and fall back into unhealthy patterns. To truly build something lasting, you need clarity, balance, and consistent effort. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are practical ways to keep him once you get him back. 1. Address the past calmly. Do not ignore why the breakup happened. Talk it through once, take responsibility where needed, and then move forward. Lingering on old issues only reopens wounds. 2. Make him feel secure. Trust is the foundation of every relationship. Avoid unnecessary suspicion and show through actions that you value stability. A man who feels safe emotionally will invest more deeply. 3. Listen more than you speak. Often, men return because they want to feel understood. Listen without interrupting and respond with empathy. Being heard makes him feel valued and respected. 4. Balance space and togetherness. Clinging too tightly can push him away, but neglect can create distance. Keep your own passions alive while still making quality time for him. Balance keeps the spark alive. 5. Keep romance alive. Do not stop putting effort into the relationship. Surprise him with thoughtful gestures, kind words, or small acts of affection. Romance is the glue that holds love together. 6. Handle conflicts wisely. Arguments will happen, but how you deal with them matters. Speak calmly, avoid blaming, and focus on solutions. Conflict should bring growth, not destruction. 7. Build a shared vision. Talk about the future, plans, goals, and dreams. When both partners look forward to the same horizon, the bond becomes stronger and more purposeful. If you wonder how to keep him once you get him back, remember it is not about perfection, but consistency. Nurture trust, show appreciation, and never stop investing in the relationship. Love lasts when both partners grow together, not apart. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.